Okay, here we have the Wolf BM2 controller on wall holder. So this is the wall holder here. So inside in the wall holder we have a temperature sensor which acts as room influence and room stat. So pop the BM2 back onto the wall holder. The software loads up. Just takes a few seconds. We have a software version 1.4 on this particular BM2 module. And it's just loaded now. So this is our home page showing time and date, temperature of the boiler, modulation level of the burner when the burner is running, system pressure, and a 1 by hour reheat for hot water. Turn the scroll button to the right once. We have direct hot water temperature in the cylinder, set point of the direct hot water temperature, which we can change here. Press the scroll button to enter once you have it changed. The clock symbol. We press that, we have standby, constant operation, automatic mode, and 1 by reheat. So you click the scroll button to select. Turn it once to the right. We have our heating circuit page which shows room temperature, flow temperature of the boiler, outside temperature. This is a quick temperature change here in the room where the BM2 module is located, so we can plus it up by 4 degrees or reduce it by 4 degrees depending on what you desire. Press the clock symbol and there we have standby, economy mode, heating mode, automatic mode, setback function and a party function. Go back and then we turn it once more to the right and we have a fault page. Okay, so just go back home, press the home button, brings us back to heating circuit page. And now I'm going to show you how to change the times and set up your time programs. So you press in the scroll button once, scroll down to time programs, and here we have a 7-day heating and hot water program for heating and hot water. So we'll go into heating. You can activate 3 time programs for 3 different times of the year. So we have going to set up time program 1 here. So we have some programs set. So I'm just going to click into Monday and you're going to edit some of these times. You can times edit, times add, or delete a time. So I'm just going to edit a time. So it goes up in 5-minute increments. So 2:30 to 4:30. And we'll change this one from 7 to 10:30. And this one 2 o'clock to 6 o'clock. It'll save them times on Monday. So to copy them across to the rest of the days, click Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'm going to skip Saturday and Sunday and I'm going to copy them Monday to Friday. And they're saved. So I'm going to go across here to Saturday, press the scroll button to enter in. So I have down the bottom again times edit, times add and times delete. I'm going to edit some times here, so I'm just going to change the 1:30 to 4 o'clock, 7, to 11, and 3 o'clock to 6:30. Going to save them times on a Saturday, and then to copy Saturday and Sunday, Saturday and Sunday, press the copy button, enter in on the copy button, and it will save them times for Saturday and Sunday. I'm going to press the back button to go back, and it's the same for hot water. So you have time program 1, enter in, and you can edit your times for hot water. So I'll just enter 1 time, it'll save that time on Monday. So you can have 1 on off, 2 on off, or 3 on off. The maximum is 3 per day. Press the clock symbol. I'm going to enter Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and I'm going to copy them across from Monday to Sunday, and I will save them times now. I'm going to press the back button all the way. I'm just going to go back to the heating circuit page. I'm going to show you how to change the room stat temperature. So the temperature that the controller will cut off once the room reaches temperature. So press the scroll button once, enter into default settings, and in here we have language, change of language, time, date, minimum backlighting, screensaver, and key lock for a child. So we are going to scroll back up and go into heating circuit, and down here we have day temperature. So when we click into day temperature, this is the temperature that the controller is going to knock off once the room reaches it. So we're going to set it for 22 degrees and enter, and then we're going to enable on our room influence. So once that's enabled on, it senses fluctuations in room temperature, either windows opening, letting out some heat, or a stove lighting within an area. So it will sense temperature changes and send a signal back to the boiler through eBus to either ramp up or go in a reduced mode, depending on whether it's a loss of temperature or a gain in temperature in the room. And back to the home screen.